Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cord management is probably one of the most overlooked yet impactful upgrades you can make to your home entertainment setup, transforming cluttered cables into a clean, professional look that enhances both aesthetics and safety by eliminating tripping hazards and dust traps, ultimately providing a seamless viewing experience without the visual distraction of unsightly wires. Number 5. Yecaye 125 inches cord hider W1.18 in H0.6 in white. Tired of messy wires? This kit elegantly conceals up to 4 cables, transforming your home and office into models of organization. Keep your entertainment center and workspaces tidy with this simple solution. Protect your loved ones from potential hazards. This wall wire cover acts as a protective barrier, keeping exposed cables safely tucked away from babies, children, and pets. Upgrade your space without the hassle. Our updated snap-on design allows for quick, tool-free installation in just 10 minutes. Achieve a cleaner look effortlessly. Choose the installation method that suits you best. Use the strong adhesive tape for a quick setup on smooth surfaces, or opt for the included screws and anchors for a more permanent hold. Customize its look to match your decor. The paintable, non-glossy surface allows it to seamlessly blend into any room, effectively hiding your cable mess while enhancing your interior design. What we like. This kit offers a large capacity for multiple cables, making it ideal for managing significant clutter. Its paintable surface allows for seamless integration with your decor. If you're looking for a versatile solution that can be customized to match your walls perfectly, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to hide cords behind the wall, including a drill bit and a template for cutting holes. It was easy to install and looks great, no more messy cords visible. The brush-style cable entry covers allow cables to pass through easily while keeping dust out. Number 4. Yecaye 250 inches cord hider cable Raceway kit. Are you tired of dealing with unsightly cables? Experience our innovative cable management solution that keeps your space tidy and organized. This kit provides an extensive 250 inches of coverage, ensuring you have ample organizer space for all your home or office wiring needs. Our cord hider features strong, double-sided adhesive tape for a secure and long-lasting fit. It keeps your cables invisible against the wall, maintaining a clean look. Say goodbye to complicated installations. With our no-punch design, you can easily set up the channels using the provided tape and press them onto any clean, smooth surface. Keep your loved ones safe with our durable cord protectors. Made from thickened, flame-retardant material, they resist scratches and tears, hiding dangerous wires completely. This wire hider is designed for easy customization. Cut it to any length you need and even paint it to match your decor, making cable management stylish and personal. Perfect for covering individual cords, this sleek solution can conceal up to 2 low-voltage wires, providing a neat and unobtrusive finish for your entertainment or office setup. What we like. This option is perfect for those who need to hide just 1 or 2 smaller cables discreetly. It's also built with thickened, flame-retardant material, offering protection against pets and children. If you prioritize a sleek, unobtrusive look and enhanced safety for your little ones or furry friends, this is the one to consider. What people say. The kit was easy to install and looks great. It successfully hid all the cables behind the wall. The included brush made fishing the cables through the wall much easier. Number 3. ECHOGEAR in-wall TV cord hider. Are you looking for a way to hide those unsightly TV cables? We have the perfect solution to keep your entertainment area neat and tidy. This kit includes everything you need for a seamless installation, and the best part is, no complex wiring is required. It powers your TV and conceals low-voltage cables effortlessly. Don't worry about oddly shaped plugs. The dual-top outlet is designed with ample space to accommodate even the most awkward power adapters, powering your TV and streaming devices conveniently. Easily conceal your HDMI, Ethernet, and audio cables using the brush plate pass-through. Its unique design prevents cables from slipping back into the wall. We've even included a wall template and a drywall saw to ensure a perfect fit. Plus, a 6-foot extension cord with a low-profile plug powers the entire setup. Power your wall-mounted TV and streaming devices all in one place. As a bonus, we're planting a tree for every unit sold, so you can feel good about your purchase. What we like. This kit provides a dual outlet and a brush pass-through, allowing you to power devices and hide low-voltage cables simultaneously. It even includes a template and saw for a clean installation. If you need an all-in-one solution for powering your TV and hiding multiple cable types behind the wall, this is an excellent option. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to hide cords behind the wall, including a brush to clean the hole and a template for easy drilling. The low-profile design of the wall plates blends seamlessly with the wall, making the cords virtually invisible. Installation was straightforward, and the finished result looks clean and professional. Number 2. PowerBridge Yecaye Single Outlet TV Cord Hider. Are you looking for a clean and professional way to manage your TV cables? This innovative system is designed to hide all your wires seamlessly. You don't need an electrician to get a tidy setup. This kit is designed for easy DIY installation, allowing you to hide your cables in minutes. Designed to match your existing electrical outlets, it blends perfectly with your wall for a clean, modern look. Its recessed design ensures compatibility with even the thinnest wall mounts and TVs, providing a sleek finish. The included components are NEC code compliant and safe for direct contact with insulation, ensuring safety and peace of mind. Unique green indicator lights let you know at a glance that it's connected and functioning correctly. What we like. This system features a recessed outlet and is designed to match existing wall plates for a clean, integrated look. The green indicator light confirms it's connected and functioning. If you're looking for a DIY-friendly solution that blends seamlessly with your home's electrical setup and provides visual confirmation of power, this is a solid pick. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary hardware for a clean installation, making it easy to route cables behind the wall. The brush wall plates effectively prevent dust from entering the wall cavity while allowing cords to pass through. The design allows for flexibility in cable management, accommodating different types and thicknesses of cords. Number 1. Legrand On-Q In-Wall TV Power Kit. Tired of messy cables behind your wall-mounted TV? Introducing a simple solution to keep your entertainment area clean and organized. This in-wall power kit is designed to conceal all your unsightly cords. It provides a recessed outlet for a sleek, professional look. Manage your cables with ease. The kit includes everything you need to neatly route power and prevent clutter behind your television. With a generous 6-foot power cord, you'll have ample reach. It's the perfect addition for any modern home theater setup. Achieve a clean, professional finish for your TV installation. This white power kit blends seamlessly with your wall. Trust in the quality of Legrand On-Q for your home. This power kit offers a reliable and stylish way to power your TV. What we like. This kit offers a recessed outlet and a 6-foot power cord, designed to hide wires for wall-mounted TVs for a clean aesthetic. It's a straightforward system for achieving a tidy entertainment area. If you're seeking a simple, effective way to manage your TV's power cord and achieve a clutter-free look without complex installation, this is a good choice. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to get the job done, including a drywall saw, a fish tape, and all the necessary connectors. The cable management system is designed to be discreet and unobtrusive, blending seamlessly with your home decor. The kit allows for a clean and professional installation, hiding all unsightly cables behind the wall. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.